When I graduated from college, I was very disappointed because I still didn't know how to deal with my feelings. And we don't learn about them in schools, and we don't talk about them at home. It's not fair, actually. Our parents didn't teach us because they didn't know. Their parents didn't teach them. If you want to learn some more about it, we've figured out a few things about them, and we can help you. We're trying this. It's working. We've been doing it for a long time, 3 generations now. It's working. Come find out. It only takes a weekend. Some of it's painful. It is. Some of it's painful. It's okay. A, will be there for you, and B, you will know from then on that you can deal. You can deal with you. You can deal with you. You don't have to be afraid of your own self. You don't have to be afraid of your own fear. You don't have to be afraid of your anger even. Wouldn't that be cool to have your anger whenever you need it? You don't walk around like this all the time, but if you need it, you pick it up out of your emotional toolbox and you use it effectively. We can show you some ways of using it effectively. And then put it back down so you don't have to walk around being angry all the time. When we overthink things, it's because we're underfeeling them. If we're overfeeling stuff, it's because we're underthinking them. If we can balance the left brain and the right brain, our thoughts and our feelings, we can do amazing things with our lives. Okay, so come on and let us help you. We'll show you how. We tend to love people. We're bizarre that way. If you're willing to come in and sit down and trust and be ready to deal, this isn't a lecture thing where we tell you how to do it. We do it with you. So let's go. We're looking for people that are ready to make some changes emotionally. They don't like the way they are feeling, or they can't change it. They keep feeling the same things over and over and they can't change it.
When I first came to New Directions, I thought to myself, how could it help me? You know, the hospital didn't help me, private therapy really didn't help me. Ended up a weekend at an ND did more for me than all those years of therapy. Prior to ND, I just wanted to curl up and die. I realized I didn't want to die. I wanted emotional pain to end. And the tool to get the emotional pain to end, I found out, was feeling those feelings that I had stuffed for years. So New Directions was a life changer for me.
My main issues were post-traumatic stress and abandonment issues from my father. As I hit ND, and in one weekend I learned how to change the picture, changed my life. My meds went in half, my night sweats, my post-traumatic stress disorders, my startle reflex, my hypervigilance, everything was cut at least in half after that weekend. So ND's changed my life.
My name is Tom Pope, and I'm a graduate of the New Directions program. It was a very rewarding program for me. The main thing I learned was that it is very important to express your emotions. If you hold your emotions in, I found that I was carrying a lot of baggage with me, and once I let go of it, I could move out of a painful past and into a very pleasant present. I'm totally in the moment now, and I still remember those events, but they don't have the same emotional impact on me anymore. I know they happened, but I've moved beyond it, and I've learned from it, and I'm a much better, happier person now.
What I learned at New Directions is it's given me a platform to grow and move forward, and the personal work that I have already learned and my own therapy that I've had throughout the years. And I've been able to tackle various childhood traumas that I have been through and move forward with them and go on with my life and better myself in relationships and the work environment and in everyday situations. and I'm very thankful for New Directions.
So, it's hard to do by yourself. It can be done by yourself, but let us help you get started. Let us help you get started. Learn more at newdirectionsworkshop.com.